of 1999 in India. Secondly, the Copyright Act, copyright which is protected under the Copyright Act of 1957. Then the patent under the Patent Act of 1970. Then industrial design under the Designs Act. Then geographical indication is there, plant varieties is there, trade secrets, formulas. Those are also the forms of intellectual property. So all different forms of intellectual property which have been protected under different legislations. Next slide please. Now meaning of copyright. What is meant by copyright? A copyright, it is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the exclusive legal right to copy, distribute, adapt, display and perform a creative work, usually for a limited time period under section 14 of the Act. Next slide. Now what are the different features or salient features of copyright? Originality, it must be an original work. It must not be copied from any person. Negative right. Why it is negative right? Copyright, two words, copy and write. Right to copy is not the right. Right not to copy, it is the right. Hence, in that sense, it is a negative. It is a right which is in negative form. Then exclusive right. Why exclusive? Because the owner or the author of copyright, he or she is given the entire right to exploit his own property. Photograph, film and sound recordings. So over these aspects, a person can get copyright. Next slide. Now the foreign works. The copyright of foreign works, it is also protected in India. How? The copyright of nationals of countries who are members of Berne Convention for the protection of literary and artistic works, Universal Copyright Convention and TRIPS Agreement are protected in India through the International Copyright Order, as if such works are Indian works. See, the document, the international instrument I have mentioned over here, of these international instruments, India is a party. Definitely, the copyright, the right which has been given through this international treaty, through this international instrument, are definitely protected in our country. Next slide.